Hi, my name is Allie Lange.
Hi, my name is Andreas Mittman.
Hi, my name is Grant Garr.
My name is Jamie Rowe.
I go to the University of Kansas.
I go to Penn State University.
I attend the University of Mississippi, aka Ole Miss.
I go to school at Virginia Tech in Blacksburg, Virginia.
I am interning for the U.S. mission to the United Nations.
And I'm interning at Ogilvy and Mather for the summer.
I'm interning with Scripps Networks Interactive that own Food Network, HGTV, Cooking Channel, and DIY Network.
I interned with a couture and bridal designer called Randy Ram Atelier.
And I live at EHS's 1760 residence.
I live at the New Yorker residence in Midtown.
I am living in the St. George Towers.
I live in the Marymount residence.
One of my favorite things about EHS is the location. It is so conveniently located.
And I'd have to say that I have two favorite things about living with EHS. The first was what drew me in, and it's the convenience. There's a gym in the building, laundry, a kitchen, a lounge. You get TV and air conditioning in your room, and the location makes it easy for me to get anywhere I want to go. And the second thing was one that I didn't expect. I've made more friends here than I could have ever imagined, and that I'll never forget. Everybody wants to meet new people, and with so many friendly faces around, you never feel lonely in such a big city.
I absolutely love that EHS does a phenomenal job of coordinating a lot of events. They really connect all of the people who are living in their buildings, and I love that they have taken the time to scout out all of these amazing buildings that are residential, but yet they have such a fun nightlife. There's so much going on, but you feel safe to walk your street, at 2 a.m. in the morning, or you can go out for late night ice cream with your friends, and you feel like you're in a homey place. So it's hard to do that in the city sometimes. So I think that they've done an incredible job with that.
I like living with EHS because it gave me the opportunity to live for not a super expensive amount, and I actually live about 15 minutes walk from my internship, and I also was able to meet friends in my dorm without having to venture out on my own, so I can kind of do my own thing but still have people to depend on.